We just attended Pepcom during CES. It's one of the great nighttime activities taking place at the Mirage. This is a great place for media to connect with exhibitors and showcase their products in a short form and large demonstration. And during this event, we decided we're going to pick our favorite standouts from it. And my favorite standout from it, again, goes to Typhur. Typhur has created an amazing dual thermometer system that will allow you to be able to control and manage the temperatures of your cooking meats, whether indoor or outdoor, while also making sure that wherever you are in your house, you can basically keep that maintaining. It uses two probes partnered together with a device to give you accurate and detailed readouts, and then connects with your Wi-Fi system at home. So wherever you have Wi-Fi, you'll be able to get the information about what's going on. This system is called the Sync, and it is IP5 rated specifically to help with dishwashing, to get it clean after the event. And it is designed specifically to manage times of cooking, give you updates for it, and then also help you with timing for resting. If you're looking for a brand new cooking device to help you with your cooks inside the oven and not just to pull it out and check it with their Instaprobe, then the Sync is a great option for that need. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you with more of our CS videos. We'll see you guys next time.